Open the Roblox account in your PC. Default page of Roblox will be open and showed the list of recommended games. The person whom age is more than 13 years can make a Roblox account. Sometimes, player wants to change the date of birth. Let's click on setting to change the date of birth in Roblox. Here we can see date of birth of player is February 12, 2005. Let's change the date of birth from February 12, 2005 to 13th of March 2006 and press the save button. Roblox must show with pop-up save successfully. Now press OK button. Now we have to do the verification that player date of birth has been changed successfully or not. Just click some other tab and do little bit of browsing in Roblox. And then go to the again setting option to check the date of birth. Now, we can see that new date of birth of Roblox player is reflected or his date of birth has been changed successfully. If you find this tutorial fruitful, please consider it to subscribe the channel and keep liking, commenting on video.